Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. It is Sunday the 22nd of May. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful day here in the UK, and lots to get on with. So this is a workshop update. That's what this video is about, just letting you know what's coming up on the channel coming in the next week or two. What I'm currently doing is building a very nice decking and pergola built into the decking, so a really nice social space for a customer in Bournemouth. That's going well. I'm halfway through that, and I'm hoping that that's going to come out later on towards the end of this coming week, if I can get it edited and all the stuff that goes on behind the scenes of actually making these videos and actually putting them out. So I'm hoping that that's going to come up. There's going to be some more woodworking and well-being towards the end of the week, or middle of the week maybe, dropping as well. So that's exciting, and you know my passion around well-being and men's mental health and men in sheds and all of these things, and just continuing in that discussion and how important that is to me, and I know to many of you out there, and that's really exciting. And we just continue that community of supporting each other, and I think that's just vital in today's climate, and we're able to do that and break down some of those discussions around well-being. So we've got that coming out. I've also got other jobs that are in the pipeline, continuing the on tour as I referenced a few videos ago when I said the Small Workshop Adventures is going on tour. And yes, I'm on tour. I'm doing a lot of on tour, touring around. So I've been out quoting for jobs, and who knows, you put a quote out and maybe those quotes come in, maybe they don't. But if they do, I've got some really exciting potential projects that might be coming in the not too distant future. So looking forward to that, and all the other things I've got, the projects that will come this way on this channel. So please like and subscribe. Please stay tuned. Lots of interesting stuff, discussions around woodworking, things, how to do things. I've also been buying some new tools, because you need to get tools to do stuff, don't you? So there may be some tool reviews coming up around some DeWalt power tools. So I may actually be doing some tool reviews. That'll be maybe coming up, maybe not this week, but maybe in the coming weeks. So tool reviews, woodworking and well-being, making things, workshop, the Small Workshop Adventures on tour. Continuing my touring. There's no audience to see me do it, apart from obviously you guys, which is actually the main audience. It's the channel. So so please like and subscribe. As I said, please thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel yet, please click that button and subscribe. Really do appreciate that. My subscribers are going up. Amazing, continuing to go up. So please stick with me. Lots more to come. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, I wish you well, and I'll see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.